Can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Janil, and I'm doing my IT at IT for Diploma.
I'm Gilbert, and I'm also Diploma in IT at PCHE.
I'm Tashi Fernando, and I'm also following Diploma in IT.
I'm Deepa, and I'm also following a Diploma in IT.
So Chanidu, how has your overall experience been here at PCHE?
Well, the experience has been great so far, and the thing is, it has helped me a lot learning at PCHE because it helped me gain my confidence with actually talking with people. I'm not good at that. Yeah, I gained a lot of knowledge about IT.
So Anup, what's something unique about PCHE that stood out to you?
I think the flexibility of the courses and the schedules. What really mattered for me was managing both work and studies together. So with that, PCHE, special lecturers and the coordinators really helped us to fix the timetable and do changes if they are able. So they tried their identity the maximum to help us to attend our lectures. So that's what I think.
Tashi, what has been your favorite memory so far?
So far my favorite memory was during our lecture break times. We did watch movies. That was really fun, and actually we were all spending a great time here. So I love being here.
And Gilbert, how were the lecturers and the facilities here?
We actually had those days where the lecturers were so friendly, and they kept in touch with us. They taught us areas where we were touched, and that was so good. And the facilities also are so great. We spent our time leisurely.
Okay, thank you everyone for your time.